Introducing the Hyde Tools 9-inch Dust-Free Sander, a revolutionary tool for clean and efficient drywall sanding. With its advanced dust removal system, it eliminates up to 99% of dust particles, keeping the work area clean and safe. The large sanding surface allows for faster sanding, saving time and effort. The included adapter enables easy attachment to wet-dry vacuums, ensuring immediate debris extraction. For hard-to-reach areas, the sander is compatible with extension poles. Disc replacement is quick and hassle-free, ensuring uninterrupted performance. Upgrade your sanding experience with the Hyde Tools 9-inch Dust-Free Sander and enjoy faster, cleaner, and more efficient results. The OEMTOOLS Cam Action Oil Filter Wrench is a versatile and reliable tool for effortless soil filter removal. Designed to fit a wide range of filters, it is perfect for automotive enthusiasts and professional mechanics. With a 3/8 drive, it seamlessly integrates into your existing tool set. The wrench covers a range of 2/2 to 3/1/8, accommodating various filter sizes. Its cam action design ensures a secure grip and prevents slippage during removal. Please note that it is intended for oil filter removal only. The TOPJUKE Flex Wire Cart is a versatile and innovative solution for organizing and transporting wire spools on the job site. It accommodates various sizes of wire spools and offers adjustable wire bars for a customizable setup. The compact design allows for easy maneuverability through doorways, while maintaining a stable footprint for secure wire payoff. Built to withstand the demands of the job site, it provides durability and reliability. Upgrade your wire management with the TOPJUKE Flex Wire Cart and experience efficient access, mobility, and secure payoff of wire spools. Simplify your wire handling on the job site with this practical and convenient wire cart. The Wolfcraft Hand Hole Cutter with Marking Tip, a versatile tool for electrical installations. Made of durable tool steel, it ensures reliability in your work. The marking tip allows for precise drill position marking in drywall panels. With 9 cutting edges, it easily widens holes in plastic materials. The conical pointed cone shape enables optimal deburring of holes for a neat finish. The high-quality plastic handle offers a comfortable grip for effortless use. Its compact and lightweight design allows for easy maneuverability in tight spaces. Simplify your electrical installations with the reliable Wolfcraft Hand Hole Cutter. Experience efficient hole cutting, marking, and deburring in one tool. The Roberts Longneck Plus 6-in Jamb Saw, a powerful tool for cutting door jambs, trim, and molding during flooring installation. With a 7,500 RPM, 1,100 watt motor, it effortlessly cuts through various materials, including brick and cement block. The vacuum port ensures efficient dust containment when connected to a standard vacuum. The extended tail provides leverage and stability, while the molded carrying case offers protection and portability. This saw includes 2 blades and features a cupped arbor for precise flush cuts. With adjustable cutting depth and a non-slip rubber handle, it offers control and comfort for accurate cuts. The RIDGID SeeSnake microReel PX with TruSense is a portable inspection camera designed for efficient diagnostic inspections. It incorporates TruSense technology for clear and bright images of pipes. With features like auto image rotation and on-screen feedback, professionals can accurately assess pipe conditions. The microReel PX is lightweight, compact, and includes a kickstand for stability. Upgrade your inspections with this advanced tool and achieve reliable results in plumbing, maintenance, and other applications. The TOPJUKE 9-in-1 Home Welder and Cutter is a versatile tool suitable for beginners and professionals alike. It offers MIG, FCA, MMA, FTIG, and lift-TIG welding functions, catering to various welding needs. The compact and lightweight design makes it portable and convenient for different projects. The tool's high-quality welding capabilities deliver professional results. allowing users to bring their creative visions to life. With its universal wheels and durable construction, the TOPJUKE welder is built to withstand challenging work environments. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional welder, this tool provides versatility and reliable performance for a wide range of welding tasks. The Southwire Uplight LED string light is a durable and versatile lighting solution for job sites. Available in 50 ft and 100 ft lengths, it offers ample coverage with LEDs on the top and bottom for 360-degree visibility. The 4-way mounting loop allows for easy installation in various positions. The daisy chain receptacle enables extended lighting coverage without additional power outlets. Approved for damp location, it can withstand moisture and humidity. The heavy-duty 16x3 cord ensures reliable and consistent illumination. The Southwire Uplight LED string light is a reliable choice for efficient and durable job site lighting. The HAZET Clic hose clamp pliers are designed for loosening and closing reusable hose clamps found in vehicles. With rotatable jaws, they provide access in tight spaces. The nickel-plated finish ensures durability and corrosion resistance. Made in Germany, they meet high-quality standards. With a length of 206 mm squared and a weight of 0.18 kg, they offer comfortable and precise operation. The clamping range is 35 mm squared, suitable for various hose sizes. The HAZET Clic hose clamp pliers are a reliable tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts, offering convenience and precision. The Woodpeckers SandStand tilting center base is a versatile and cost-effective solution that converts your palm sander into a stationary sander. Its tilting functionality and multiple mounting options provide convenience and flexibility. With both hands free, it enhances control and safety during sanding. The SandStand saves space and costs by eliminating the need for a dedicated stationary sander. It's easy to set up and offers precise sanding results. Transform your palm sander into a professional-grade sanding tool with the Woodpeckers SandStand. Upgrade your woodworking projects with this innovative accessory. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.